So this is what happens when you get sugar in the tank. You got to change your fuel pump, and this is on a 2012 Dodge Challenger with the V6. So as you can tell, I'm just popping stuff off, moving it to the side, and you got your two favorite tools right here to take that off. Okay. Pop right here on this. Might be a little tough sometimes. It's moving. Have mercy, they got it on there. Okay. Motherfucker is on there. It's moving though. Somebody got a nice car.
Or a nice sounding car.
Yeah, nice sounding car. It might be looking ugly. Let's see. Oh. The tool is way easier to use, but it costs you $1. That's for sure. Come on. Yeah, it's moving now. Fuck, we gotta use some muscle. Gonna be fun to put it back on.
Yep.
Okay, let's do this. And go right here. Oh, I almost got it.
Good news, good news.
This side, then. All right, come on. Lord have mercy. Hot as hell in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hot as hell. Oh, you're burning.
Yeah, the
feel
sun's
like
just
fried
fucking
chicken right
slapping my back hard.
Fried chicken. All right, come on. Come on, girl. Work with us. Don't be a bitch. Good girl. Good girl.
She might be too much of a bitch.
Well, I mean, she got sugar in her tank, so she can be a bitch.
Yeah, that's understandable.
Woo!
Hell yeah.
Now it smells like gasoline in here.
That's how you do it.
Alright, pop that off. Throw that to the side. You're gonna need that. Then unplug this. Unplug this. Well, that is definitely a country bumpkin right there.
I stay away from the country bumpkins.
They're not very
funny.
friendly. Let's put that outside that way. That's gonna get replaced anyways. So there's a little green tab right here. Just take a screwdriver, put it down to the floor, push in, okay? Push in, and then push this, and then put your finger like right here on this, okay? And then pull up. Once you hear it click, then just pop it off. And then these, I do, you take a screwdriver, and put your finger underneath like this, put a screwdriver, pop it out. Just to give it a little leverage. And you don't want to break the hose. Clips don't matter because you're changing that unit anyways. So keep these together. Grab this wire and go like this. Okay, and you just tie them together and leave them over there to the side. Okay, and you take this bitch out like that. Ooh, look at all that. And then you tip it slowly and careful, because you don't want to put a whole bunch of fuel in your car, because that right there is going to smell. Okay, I got some rags to clean that up. And then keep it level. Okay, there's a little bit. And then we're going to take this out.
God, there you go.
And extract the rest of that fluid.
Ooh, fuel pump removal.
Yes, sir.
You putting this on YouTube?
Hell yeah. That's how you make money.
I was saying, you want me to get that?